video, and welcome back to another wild camp. We're back in the Orchard Dales. Seems we love the area so much. Technically this is my second wild camp in a couple of weeks. Unfortunately I lost my new GoPro on the last camp, and that's why obviously I didn't put a video out, but I've got the glorious sunshine again, which I'm happy about. But I did do like a 1 minute video, the actual footage that I managed to keep off my drone and off my phone, etc. If you want to check that out, check out on Instagram, leave the link below. But yeah, we're near the coast to coast route today, which is just around the Keld area or Gunassad area, and we're going to be visiting a lot of mines, a few little waterfalls, keep it scenic. We've got Phil's Wild Walk with us. So we had John last time, obviously you won't see that now, but we've got some stunning views around here. We've got a nice little stream down below, and we're going to head off up towards the Gunassad Gill area, and then we're going to head down into Gunassad Gill and then head up onto, can you remember the name of it? Harpin Seat, which is technically just above that area. So yes, it's about 10 mile route, I think. It's a great company, great countryside, great weather. Can't ask for anything better. Let's get into it. So we just arrived at the old gang smelting mill, or the ruins of it. We've got some old machinery here. It's nice stuff, this. Really love the ruins of the old smelting mills, which are very prominent in this area. Yeah, spectacular as always. Well, we've made it to the Gunassad Gill iron works, iron lead mills, whatever you want to call them, the ruins of them. And one of my favourite areas in the Dales, this. It's so spectacular. We was actually going to walk all the way up the valley that way, but unfortunately we reckon the waterfall right at the end of there, that's about a mile away from here, just maybe dried up a bit, because a lot of places are dried up. It isn't round here. It's so spectacular area. You see why a lot of people wild camp in this area, but too busy for the likes of us. But it's nice to visit the area again. So the plan is, at the minute, we're going to head down the valley here and then head back up and meet the path where we actually came up, and head off to Great Pin Seat. So yes, let's get on with it. and we've finally got pitched up. Yes, it's not the best of grounds. Obviously we do a lot of exploring to find new spots, and we got up here in the end after visiting Gunassad, Gill area and all that. And yeah, it's a bit heavier and that, but it's not a bad area. We've managed to get the tents up, and this is fast becoming my favourite shelter at the minute because it's rock solid and only 1.2 kilos. And that is the Big Sky International Revolution 1.5p. Tongue twister. Yes, but it is rock solid in this wind. We're gusting at about 15 to 20 at the minute. Phil's in his MLD Solamid XL, which will definitely have no problems with this wind. He doesn't even feel the need to put his guy lines out. That's how confident he is in the shelter. Yep. So yes, with me losing my GoPro last trip, you will have obviously not seen the other new kit, which everybody likes. A new OMM rotor vest, 120 grams, really lightweight, and my Patagonia micro puff jacket. So I've gone full synthetic this trip, and I've actually managed to stay under my ultralight weight at 6 kilos base weight, which I was happy about. Synthetic quilt has took us centrals, 8 degree. I was super warm in that last trip, so I shouldn't have a problem this trip. And the Ultralight, love the Ultralight, Ultralight. And I went with the Z-Pax Nero, which works really well. I had loads of space, considering I brought the chair, and I'm glad I did with this ground. So I think it's time to have a nice little cider, pineapple and raspberry old Mount cider, and then get the stoves on the go. Show you the new meal that I've been trying. Well, finally got the stoves on the go. We had a look around. This was about the best area, hole in the ground. We're both on alcohol. Been trying new meals. Last trip I tried these Active Eat meals. I had it was called sweet potato peanut biryani, and it was absolutely exceptional. I was quite surprised with it.
Yeah, it was delicious, wasn't it?
Yeah. So I'm going to have a mushroom stroganoff this time. I've got a cottage pie one for next trip, but hopefully keep it going good. So 543 calories for this one. They are quite expensive at about £6.50 each, but yeah, I'm on the Caldera keg, H keg. So yeah, it's time to get the water boiled, get something to eat.
Something to eat for me.
Exactly, something to eat.
Something to eat.
And enjoy the rest of the night. So until morning, cheers. Sunset last night, which to get both, especially after last trip where we didn't get either, definitely a bonus. Aye, but definitely brought the wrong kit last night, unfortunately. As I went ultralight, I should have maybe brought the 20 degree quilt. I could have still kept under it. But got a bit of sleep to work, but to wake up to these views, definitely worth it. Aye, time for a cup of tea.